Checking whether a WhatsApp number is valid is only the first step. With WhatsApp Age and Gender and Photo Pro, you can analyze available profile photos and get estimated age and gender insights from your phone number list. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your list, start the detection, review the results, and download the report on NumberCheck.ai. Go beyond valid numbers. Analyze profile photos, estimated age, and estimated gender before audience segmentation. On NumberCheck.ai, you can find WhatsApp Age and Gender and Photo Pro under the Messaging category. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign into the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Messaging category, locate WhatsApp Age and Gender and Photo Pro and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Selecting the correct country helps improve checking accuracy. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking WhatsApp profile information. The system will analyze available profile photos and generate estimated age and gender insights. After processing is completed, open the results page to review the checking status and results summary. The results show the number of valid WhatsApp accounts detected. For detailed profile photo, age, and gender information, download the completed report. Click Original File or Download to save the complete results file. The exported file may include WhatsApp profile, photo information, estimated age, estimated gender, and valid account results. These insights can help businesses build clearer audience segments, qualify leads, and prepare more targeted WhatsApp marketing campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking WhatsApp profile insights today.